There were many heroes who helped rescue the passengers of Flight 1549. Two of them are here with us now. Detectives Michael Delaney and Robert Rodriguez from the NYPD Scuba Team. Guys, good morning and job well done.
Good morning. Thank you very much.
Detective Rodriguez, let me begin with you. Tell me what happened when you guys got on the scene.
Well, as we got to the scene, we were looking out of the aircraft window, the aircraft we were in, and we saw that there was an airliner in the water. And at that point, we started to communicate to each other, hand signals and shouting in the helicopter to figure out what we're going to do.
And then Detective Delaney, then what?
We usually try to come up with some sort of a game plan while we're on the way to the scene. When we turned around and when we looked at the helicopter, we saw how big the scene was. At that point, when the helicopter started lowering down into a hover, there was a lot of other boats, ferry boats in the area. And the aviation pilots did a great job of putting us in an area where we were out of their way, but yet we saw one victim that we were that we wanted to get to in the water that we wanted to get to right away.
So what'd you do then, Detective Rodriguez? It was a woman floating in the water?
Well, at that point, Detective Delaney, he's my buddy, my partner in the aircraft. He's the lead diver, so he's out first, and then I follow his lead. Okay. So he had an eyeball on the victim, and he went straight for the victim, and then I exited the aircraft after that and followed him.
Detective Delaney, tell me how you rescued her from the water. What happened?
At that point, when we started lowering down into a hover over the water, we saw one female. She was holding on to the front of a ferry boat. At that point, we saw that she was in immediate distress. And
what was she saying to you?
At that point, we were still in the helicopter. We we deployed from the helicopter, swam to her, and she was in a panic. She was glad to see us.
How'd you save her? What'd you do?
I told her, I said, you're gonna have to let go of the boat. You're gonna have to grab onto me, and she didn't want to let go. And then she actually thought that we were gonna get run over by one of the ferry boats. I just told her to calm down. I asked her her name. She let go, she grabbed onto me, and I swam her over to one of the other ferry boats that had a ladder down to the water. And both me and Detective Rodriguez helped her up onto the ferry boat along with the assistance of the crew of the ferry boat.
How freezing was this water, and what was she saying to the whole time? Tell me about that journey to the ferry.
She was on the verge of hypothermia. She was pretty much just limp in the water, holding on to me. And she was of little use, being that her lower extremities were in such cold water for such a long time. So when we pulled her up, it was, thank God that there was people there from the ferry boat to help pull up. As we were pushing her up onto the boat, they were pulling her up from the deck.
I know you guys are trained to do this, but Detective Rodriguez, have you ever experienced a real-life rescue like this, outside of training? Was this the first time you had to jump in and really save people in this situation like this?
Well, me and Mike have been assigned together for a while now at Air Sea Rescue, which is where we turn out of. And we've been involved in quite a number of rescues, but this is...
Real rescues.
Real rescues,
yeah.
Of course. And but this is at a magnitude larger than anything we've been involved in.
How'd you stay calm?
It's not really about being calm. It's just about getting the job done. We're so focused on the job and what we need to do that it's not really an issue. It's
do you feel like
just
heroes?
something we do.
Do you feel like heroes this morning? Because you guys are.
Nah,
not really.
Just another jump out of the helicopter for us.
Well, I know I feel safer now in this world after talking to both of you. Detective Rodriguez, Detective Delaney, job well done.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.